What if I told you that one of the fastest growing industries in America right now is not technology, not real estate, and not even luxury brands, but something far more ordinary, something you see on almost every street corner, something that looks simple, even casual, but behind it, a massive transformation is happening in silence. Fast food giants are shifting their strategies. New billion-dollar franchises are emerging almost overnight, and investor money is flowing into one single category at an unbelievable speed. And the most shocking part? Most people don't even realize it's happening because this isn't just about food anymore. It's about power, behavior, and a complete shift in how America eats. So the real question is, why are chicken shops exploding across America right now? Stay with us, because every answer leads to something even bigger. Point one, economic pressure and changing consumer behavior. The first and most powerful reason behind the explosion of chicken shops is not marketing or trends. It is economics. Over the past few years, the cost of living in the United States has increased significantly. Food prices, especially meat products like beef and pork, have become noticeably more expensive for the average household. This shift has forced consumers to make practical decisions about what they eat on a daily basis. Chicken, however, has remained relatively affordable compared to other meats. It offers a high protein, filling meal at a lower cost, which makes it an ideal substitute for families trying to manage tight budgets. But what started as a financial decision slowly turned into a long-term habit. People didn't just switch to chicken occasionally, they began relying on it. Restaurants noticed this shift very quickly. Sales data showed rising demand for chicken-based meals while traditional beef items started slowing down. Over time, chicken stopped being just a cheaper option and became a default choice for millions of Americans. This quiet but powerful shift in consumer behavior laid the foundation for everything that came next. But price alone doesn't explain the full story, because what happened next changed the entire fast food industry. Point two, the fast food war: chicken versus burgers. Now let's step into something far more competitive: the fast food battlefield. For decades, the fast food industry in America was dominated by burgers. Major brands built their identities around beef-based menus, creating a stable and predictable market. Burgers were not just food, they were culture. But then something unexpected happened. Chicken started rising, not slowly, but aggressively. At first, it was just another menu addition. Chicken sandwiches, wings, and nuggets were treated as side options. But over time, demand began shifting toward chicken at a surprising rate. Customers were ordering chicken items more frequently than burgers in many locations. Fast food chains quickly realized they were facing a major shift in consumer preference. Instead of ignoring it, they began adapting aggressively. Burger-focused brands introduced premium chicken sandwiches. Entire marketing campaigns were built around chicken products. Even global giants entered what is now known as the chicken competition era. But here's the most important part. Chicken is no longer just competing with burgers. It is replacing them in many markets. And this transformation has created a silent war in the food industry where every major brand is now fighting for dominance in the chicken category. However, even this is not the most powerful driver behind the explosion, because the next factor turned chicken into something far bigger than food. Point three, social media, viral culture, and food obsession. Now, let's move into the digital world, where everything changed completely. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts have reshaped how people experience food. In the past, food decisions were based on taste, price, or location. Today, they are influenced by visuals, trends, and viral content. Chicken, especially fried chicken and spicy chicken sandwiches, became perfect for this new digital culture. The crisp sound of biting into fried chicken, the dripping sauces, and the visual appeal of golden brown texture all created highly engaging content. As a result, chicken stopped being just a meal and became a viral experience. Restaurants quickly adapted to this change. Food items began to be designed not just for flavor, but for visual appeal. If a dish could go viral online, it could generate thousands of customers within hours. This created a completely new business reality. A single viral video could turn a small local chicken shop into a nationwide sensation overnight, and this cycle started repeating again and again, fueling the rapid rise of chicken-focused businesses across the country. But behind all this visibility lies something even more strategic: the business model itself. Point 4, simple business model with high profitability. Now let's break down the business side of this explosion. Chicken shops are one of the most efficient restaurant models in modern fast food. Unlike complex menus that require multiple ingredients and preparation systems, chicken-based menus are relatively simple and standardized. Most successful chicken restaurants focus on a limited set of items: fried chicken, wings, tenders, sandwiches, fries, and drinks. This simplicity reduces operational complexity and increases speed of service. But the real advantage goes even deeper. Lower complexity means lower costs. Lower costs combined with high demand result in higher profit margins. This is why businesses scale chicken faster than many other food categories. Even more importantly, a new wave of ghost kitchens and delivery-only restaurants has amplified this growth. These businesses operate without traditional dine-in spaces. They rely entirely on online orders and delivery platforms. This reduces overhead costs dramatically while increasing expansion speed. Instead of investing in large physical restaurants, brands can now open multiple virtual locations in the same city and serve thousands of customers through delivery apps. This model has made chicken businesses extremely attractive to entrepreneurs and investors alike. But the expansion doesn't stop here, because the next factor shows how fast this growth is accelerating across the country. Point 5, franchise expansion and investor interest. Now let's zoom out and look at the national level expansion happening right now. Across the United States, chicken franchises are expanding at an extraordinary rate. New outlets are opening frequently in shopping centers, highway exits, and urban neighborhoods. Brands like Wingstop, Raising Cane's, and Popeyes are aggressively scaling their operations, competing for prime locations and customer loyalty. But what makes this growth even more significant is investor interest. Chicken restaurants are now seen as stable, high demand, and scalable business opportunities. Investors view them as safer compared to many other food categories because demand is already proven and consistently strong. This has led to rapid franchising, where individual owners can open branded chicken outlets under established systems, benefiting from national recognition and marketing power. As a result, expansion is no longer slow or organic. It is fast, structured, and highly competitive. But even this is not the final reason behind the explosion, because the deepest factor lies in human behavior itself. Point 6, comfort food psychology and emotional drivers. Now let's move into something more human, something psychological. Food is not just about nutrition, it is about emotion, memory, and comfort. And chicken, especially fried chicken, has a unique emotional appeal. It is warm, familiar, crispy, and deeply satisfying. It creates a sense of comfort that people naturally turn to during stress, fatigue, or uncertainty. In modern life, where stress levels are high and routines are fast-paced, people often seek food that provides instant emotional relief. Chicken fits this need perfectly. It is affordable enough for regular consumption, familiar enough to feel safe, and satisfying enough to create emotional comfort. This psychological connection ensures one powerful truth. Chicken is not just a trend, it is a habit deeply embedded in human behavior, and habits are the hardest things to change. So now, when we connect all the pieces together, the picture becomes clear. Economic pressure pushed people toward chicken. Fast food competition amplified it. Social media made it viral. Business models made it scalable. And human psychology made it permanent. But this leads to one final question. If chicken is dominating the fast food world today, what will dominate tomorrow? And more importantly, are we witnessing the rise of a long-term food empire, or just the beginning of the next major shift in global eating habits? Let us know your thoughts. Don't just watch, be part of it. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell me what you really think in the comments. I read every single one.